A guide you to remove YouTube account from other devices. So let's hop into the YouTube, and from there you need to tap on your profile, which is the right side bottom corner, and after that you need to tap on the settings, scroll down to find manage all history. You need to tap on the controls, and you need to scroll down all the way to find go to your Google account, which will take you to your Google account page. And after opening that, you need to scroll that to find security. In the security, you need to scroll down all the way to find your devices. In your devices, you could find that your YouTube account from other devices. And let's say if you need to remove, you need to tap on manage all devices. After that, you need to tap on that specific device. You need to remove your YouTube account. You need to tap on like this, and you need to tap on that sign out. After signing, if you tap on sign out, that here it will ask you that your access will be removed from Google account from that specific device. So if you tap on sign out, that will be removed. This is how you could remove YouTube account from other devices. Thank you.